Welcome to Roughing It with Ruth, the channel where I'm on vacation and my voice is too.
The Otter Trail is officially the oldest overnight hiking trail in South Africa, and there will be a lot more videos coming out about the Otter Trail in the coming weeks, so stay tuned to this channel and hit that subscribe button if you would like to see those.
Alright guys, we got 10 Ks, 6 hours. Let's do it! And it's critical.
There we go. All the happy people. Sunrise today should be at around 7:30, so we should have a little bit more than an hour of dark hiking to do. We've got 10 Ks to do till Bloukrans. We've got 6 hours to do it because we want to arrive there at 12. Low tide is at 25 past 12. So we've done one climb already, and I believe there's one more climb before Bloukrans. And then after Bloukrans is the biggest climb of today. But then there's only 3.8 kilometers left to the hut at that point, so not too bad. And we'll have the whole second half of the day to get that done. Okay gang, we can have a 10-minute break. I don't even know what this river is called. It might... Oh, it's the Vittles. It's the Vittles River. There's a name.
No, it's 3.6 km.
Trying to follow the mud trail from the hikers that came before us.
On the run, it's actually quite
helpful. There we go. There's an otter paw print on the rock there. It's foam. You know when the sea churns up into a hectic foam? This is what it leaves behind when it's...
scum.
This is the scum.
Jump to me, let's look at a rock.
Here is super good. How civilized. Wow, how does one walk down a staircase? I've forgotten. Okay, watch your heads here as well. It's a nice slicer over there. Here comes our second climb before we hit Bloukrans.
That is a climb.
Yeah, these climbs are brutal. We've done 6.4 kilometers so far. Time is still looking okay. Our first good view of Bloukrans. Okay. That's the slipway there. That like
next to that log there.
Yes. We got down here at 10 past 11. It took us 5 hours and 14 minutes from the hut. And we weren't going at like a super fast pace, but we did push hard in terms of we didn't take breaks. We took 2 short 10-minute breaks and that was it. And we're here quite long before low tide. Low tide's at 25 past 12, so we can have a nice chill break here waiting for the low tide. Those are the super steep stairs that come down to Bloukrans. Should we go 2 at a time, Ralph, so you can just like help each other out? It's a little It's a little chilly. The rocks are so slippery. Oh, sandbank. Yes. I should have kept my trail runners on.
Yeah.
These rocks are slippery.
Oh yeah, and those shoes are a bit tough to go.
Yeah. We did the Bloukrans crossing and nobody's bags got wet. I think that's because every single person used the strategy of like lifting up the bag instead of dragging the bag behind them so that the rocks didn't split the bags open. Ralph and Finton and Benjamin helped out, and Francisco also helped out a bunch of people with bags, including me. Ralph came and took my bag about halfway over. It's quite difficult to like manhandle them when they're inside those packets. It's not as hard as it looks, really. I think I'm probably going to climb it.
Okay, well, what I can do is I can hold here and I can hand like this. The hands over here, ready?
I just feel like, you know,
Okay, you knew what Ruth did there. That's probably.
I just feel safer when it's like my own handholds and stuff, you know? I don't even know what I'm filming right now. Maybe I'm filming something.
Yeah, slightly uncomfortable.
I mean, when you talk about exposure, this is what you mean, right?
I prefer not to do this, but here we are.
Yeah, there's hundreds of them. So Neil Marie picked up this shell. You probably can't see it on the GoPro, but there's actually a snake inside it. Like you can just see the tip of his tail. Very tiny snake. Another pebble beach, my favorite. Pretty sure that this is the last uphill of the day.
How are we feeling, gang? Are we feeling the vibes?
Right.
Feeling the vibes. Jonathan, followed by Ralph.
Ralph coming in.
Inga.
Inga's feeling positive.
Does it smell like anything?
I can't smell anything.
13 kilometers. Okay. 13 kilometers, guys. Only 0.8 to go. Got some very civilized stairs coming up. Look at this little guy. You see him?
Yeah.
I see something.
It's coming up.
Hut number 2 is like fair distance away. Oh, there it is. Ha! Hut number 2. Yes, that's like a fair track. This is the Andre Hut toilet. And this is the view on the Andre Hut toilet. I love the look of the Andre Hut shower, especially made with like lower walls on this side so you can look out to sea while you're having a shower. That seems like a very good deal to me. I have definitely found day 4 of the Otter the hardest day so far. Not particularly because of Bloukrans, well maybe indirectly because of Bloukrans, because you're on this kind of time crunch where you have to get to Bloukrans at low tide. And honestly, when we got down to the hut, I didn't film much of anything because I was feeling pretty bad. I just had a shower and went straight to bed without having supper. But I'm feeling fine now. I think just don't underestimate day 4. It is a pretty harsh day.